Good afternoon, dear children. Today I am going to explain you one question from NCERT book. It is your class 10th, and to this book, this is from your chapter quadratic equations. This is question number second, fourth part. So this is from your 4.1 exercise. So let's start the question. The question is a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. Suppose there is a train and this train travels at a uniform speed, means 480 km. So this is your distance, and this train is traveling at a uniform speed, means at the same speed. This train is traveling at the same speed. So suppose if I am taking same speed as a x. So if I have taken same speed as x, means uniform speed, I am taking x. This train traveling at a uniform speed at a uniform means, this means this train has not changed its speed. This train speed is constant. This speed is fixed, which is there. And if I'm taking another case, which is a speed, if the speed had been 8 km less than, so if I'm taking a train and this speed is 480 km, means distance is same, distance is constant, but the speed is not constant, it's a variable. How we will tell that if the speed had been 8, means suppose I'm taking same speed as a x. If I have let same speed as a x, so if I'm taking same speed as x, means what I'll take, speed is x, same speed is x, but if I am gonna tell that it is less than 8 km less, it is less than 8 km per hour, means if I'm taking 8 km per hour less than. So if means this here in this case what we are doing, the speed is same, this speed has not changed its speed, but in this case the train has changed its speed, and the distance is same, distance is fixed, distance is constant, but the speed is changing. The speed has been 8 km less than, right? 8 km less than means the speed has been 8 km less than speed, say x minus 8, so it would be x minus 8, right? And here would be same, so x would be here only, so x would be here and here would be x minus 8, means this distance should be less now, distance should be less. Now what will happen, suppose if this train is traveling at the same speed, so means the train is traveling at the same speed, है so what will happen, the time will be less here, time will be less. So, and if the time has been less here, so what will happen, if the distance has been less, so time will be more, means the speed is at a constant speed. This is your speed and it is a constant speed, so your time would be what, your time would be less, your time would take in less here, but here it is traveling 3 more hours, मतलब time would be 3, and the speed has been 8 ना, तो 8 इसने कम कर दिया है, so 8 km per hour is less, तो 8 km पर आवर इज लेस, मतलब 8 किलोमीटर उसने कम कर दिया है, 8 किलोमीटर जो है स्पीड कम कर दिया है, सो व्हाट विल बी टाइम, टाइम विल बी मोर ना, टाइम इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, एंड टाइम यहाँ डिक्रीज हो जाएगा क्योंकि स्पीड जो है वो सेम स्पीड पे चल रही है, सो टाइम वुड बी लेस एंड हेयर वुड बी मोर, राइट? सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन. I hope I made myself very clear, and I hope you understood this question very nicely. So let's start the question. If I'm taking as a let the uniform means same speed, and the speed which I have taken would be x na, so it would be x, so what, x kilometer per hour, x kilometer per hour, so it is x kilometer per hour, means uniform speed is same, it is not changed, it has not changed the speed, so it will be x kilometer per hour. And if the distance is, and if the distance is, and if your distance is what, your distance has been taken as a 480 kilometer, 480 kilometer, so distance has been taken 480 kilometer, means distance is same, it has been not changed its speed, so what will take, if you are given as a you are given with distance, you are given with speed, but you are not given with time, so we have to find the time only. In this case we have to find the time, means suppose this is your case 1, this is your case 1. Take as it a case 1 because a train travel at a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. So I have taken uniform speed as a x kilometer per hour. I have not changed it. And distance I am taking, distance is same, 480 km. So what will it say? If we have to find the time, so distance upon speed, so time would be, distance is what, 480 km. So it would be same here. And speed is what? Speed I have taken a x kilometer per hour. So speed is x kilometer per hour. Now what will happen? Kilometer would be cancelled, means your time would be what? Your time would be here 480 upon x, and this would be your hours. So this is your case 1. This is your case 1 which I have explained you. This is your case 1. Now in case 2, what is saying to you? In case 2, what they are saying to you? They are saying to you that if the speed had been 8 kilometer less, means if you are taking x kilometer per hour, which was your speed, and it is now 8 kilometer per hour less than, means now it would be less than, so it would be 8 minus 8 kilometer per hour. Now वो less हो गया है, 8 is less now, the speed the time had been increased because 8 किलोमीटर जो 8 किलोमीटर पर आ रहा है वो डिक्रीज हो गया, स्पीड आपकी 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर डिक्रीज हो चुकी है. सो योर इक्वेशन वुड बी व्हाट? नाउ रिड्यूस स्पीड, वी गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट रिड्यूस स्पीड. Your reduced speed would be what? So x minus 8 kilometer per hour, kilometer hour, and distance would be what? And distance is same. Distance would be same here. Distance will not change. It will be 480 kilometer only. Now what we're gonna find? Again we have to find the time here. We are given with speed. We are given with distance. So what we'll find? We have to find the time here. So let's find the time. Distance is our 480 kilometer. It is not changing. So time equal to distance upon speed. So time we have to find here. Distance is what? Distance is constant. 480 kilometer would be here only. And upon speed is, we have decreased the speed. So it would be like this. Now kilometer cancel. So what we will get? We will get 480 upon x minus 8. It would be r. So this is your case 2. This would be your case 2. Case 2. In case 2 you get this. Now let's make the question. In case 1 we are given with 480 upon x, and now what we will do, we will, and in case 1 this is there, and in case 2 we are familiar with this. 480 upon x minus 8. This is case 1, and this is case 1, this is case 2. Now how we will do here, we will simply write reduced speed we have taken here, है ना. So according to question, what we will say, if we have 480 upon x minus 8 in this case 2, and we have to just find the speed here, and we are given with, then it would have taken 3 hour more to cover the same speed. 3 hour more to cover the same speed. It will take 3 hour more now to cover the same speed. Now simplify this equation. You have to just simplify this equation, this one. So let's simplify it. X minus 8, it would be cross multiply. So you will get 480x minus, here you will get 480 minus 8. I hope I made myself very clear to you. Equal to 3. This would be your thing, which is, now how you will do? Equal to 3. So x square minus 8x. 480x would be remain like this, minus 480x. It would be 480 into 8 will be 3840. Right? Now it would be cancelled now. 480x minus 480x, it would be cancelled. Equal to 3 is there. So how you will do? How you will write here? 38, and one more thing, minus would be plus. So here would be minus now. Minus 480x and minus would be plus. So the minus. So here will be what? Upon x square minus 8x, and would equal to, it is equal to what? It is equal to what? 3. So it will be 3 here, right? This is the thing which we are familiar with. Now what we have to do, simply if you would just cross multiply it, or how you will do, 3840 would be remaining like this, equal to this one. So it would be 3x square minus 8 3s would be 24x. How you will do, right? 384. Now your equation would be ready now. Your equation is ready. How your equation is ready? Make your equation. This would be your equation. Now let's make the equation. X square minus 2 minus 3840 equal to x. This would be your equation. This would be your equation. How you have done? 3x square minus 24 minus, let me write it again, 3x square minus, it would be 24x would be minus 3840. This would be your equation which is there. So this is your equation. This is done. If you love this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.